Meaning of foxhole.
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 Foxhole. A foxhole is a type of defensive position used in warfare, typically dug into the ground and covered with foliage or other materials for camouflage. It is often used by soldiers as a temporary shelter during combat, providing protection from enemy fire and the elements. Foxholes are typically small and cramped, and may be shared by multiple soldiers. The term foxhole is often used figuratively to describe any situation in which someone is under intense pressure or danger, and must rely on their instincts and training to survive.